Hi everyone, so we want to prove Newton Raphson method. Okay, so solution. So this is the formula I wanted to prove. Now we can expand by expanding f of s naught plus h using Taylor's expansion. Okay, now we are going to start. So this one, f of x naught plus h equal to f of s naught plus h f prime x naught plus a square f prime prime naught over 2 factorial plus 3 factorial into f prime 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 x naught plus equal to what? 0. Now here we are going to eliminate the power of a square and the higher power of what? nh. That is, since we are neglecting the higher power of a square and any other power of h cube, so that means f of x naught plus f prime equal to 0. Okay, now recall that here x1 equal to s naught plus h. Now my s naught here can be x1 minus what? My h here can be x1 minus what? S naught. Okay, here now x naught plus wherever you see your h, just input this value there. X1 minus x naught into what? This one. Okay, equal to 0. Now let me just expand this value here. X naught plus x1 f naught minus x naught f prime naught equal to 0. Okay, now this one will give us, take x naught fx, no, this one I want this one is subject form, so this one will give me, this one will just be x naught f prime x naught minus x naught. Okay, now let me clean this side. So that so let me go from here. Now I can come back to this side here. So dividing both sides by f prime, this one will give us x naught minus fs naught over what? Over f prime naught. Here now I can also say x2 equal to x1 minus fx1 over what? f prime s1. So you can now let's see if my n is equal to 0 now. You can see I'm going to get this value. I can now conclude that Sn plus 1 equal to xn minus xn over what? Over x prime xn. So this is how to prove Newton-Raphson method.